And hello, I am here. Hi, Shrubuna. I can see you're online. Um, as always, I'll wait for a few more minutes for some more people to join in. Anubha, hi. Hi, Anupama. Oh, both my. Binoy, hi. Hello, Swapnil. Hello, Breakthrough with Cuff. Namaste. Atma Namaste. Hanish, oh, you're Chitra's son. Atma Namaste. Good to see you online. Hey, Yash. So, couple of minutes more and we'll begin. Pavitra, hello. आई एम टेम्प्टेड टू से ये हम हैं, ये फुल मून है, यहाँ फुल मून मेडिटेशन चल रही है. सो ऑन दैट नोट, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. Welcome to February's full moon meditation. It's a beautiful full moon. To be very honest, I was hoping we could do this live, and I was hoping some of you could actually come over. But I think we still have some more time before we can have real gatherings. For those of you who join in from other cities, don't worry, we'll still live stream and you'll still be able to join us virtually. So, today's full moon is in Virgo. It's a beautiful healing tonic, the moon today. It's giving you space to heal whatever it is that needs to be fixed in your body, in your mind, in your soul. The energies are so calm, so soothing, so nourishing. I want you to use those energies for healing yourself. So, starting with your own bodies. Now, your body is constantly speaking to you. It's telling you what is going wrong, where, what needs work. And I don't mean gym, okay? That's the easy answer. The easy answer is this is not working for me, so I need to go to the gym. I'm talking more of a spiritual gym. So our bodies are where all the experiences that we go through, all the emotions that we go through, that's where it is stored. It's the vessel for our soul, right? So everything we go through in life, we store in our bodies. All the happy feelings, all the bad feelings, all the anger, all the resentments, all the grudges, everything. We're just collecting. It's like a physical walkie-talkie experience box. Everything that you've ever experienced in your life is present, is visible, is there, still there in your body. Some of it works for you, some of it does not work for you. So, what are you going to do about what does not work for you? This full moon is asking you to stop, use the calm that comes with this full moon, and check in with your body. Listen to your body and ask your body, where am I stuck? What's happening in my life? What do I need to change? What part of my life needs my attention, my focus? What part of my life needs to be healed? And your body will respond to you. So, what it's telling you is listen to your emotional state, your mind state, your manosthiti, and ask it, what is it that you want to move? What is it that you want to change? use the cleansing rays of this full moon, and especially of this full moon meditation, to release whatever it is that is blocking you from connecting to the higher self, from connecting and releasing your emotional blocks, from keeping you from listening to your own intuition. So just use this powerful energy right now to connect once again to your own self and to the source energy. The meditation that we will be doing today will also be focusing on that. But I would also like to add over here, sometimes we all need a little bit of an energetic push, an energetic nudge. You know, you're stuck in a chair and you need a little help to get out of that chair. I recommend Bach flower remedies. I have seen so much magic with these remedies. A lot of it combined with the meditation that I will be sharing today. So if you're looking for that energetic push, if you're feeling stuck, then please reach out. I would so love to hear from you. You know how excited and happy I feel when one of you reaches out to me. So please reach out. I'd be happy to chat, tell you more about Bach flower remedies. But for now, let's do the meditation. So the meditation that we are doing today, I've done before. Those of you who've been working with me for the past few years know this is my favorite. Today we will be doing another round of Ho'oponopono meditation. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian technique. You know, when I first started doing my own spiritual housekeeping, which means ghar ki safai, I found this technique. And when I read it, when I first heard about it, it was like one Amar Chitrakatha story, ki one arrow mara, Rakshas ko maar dala, that kind of fantastic stuff. Because it was about a healer, a doctor, who cured an entire ward of the criminally insane. What do we mean by criminally insane? Think psychopaths, think serial killers, think rapists, the worst of the worst, locked up in that mental asylum, and he cured everybody. Everybody became fine and was integrated back into society, and that mental asylum was closed down. I'm not going to give the whole story here today. I've shared it before. And again, the invitation to call me up and have a chat with me holds. So if you want to listen to the whole story, call me. Sorry, there's a disclaimer. I live very close to the railway tracks. So when there's a train going by, I will pause. So there's a train going by. I'm going to take a pause for a second. Somebody asked me, but I can't hear the train. That's true, but I can hear it. So I need to pause. All right. So Dr. Hugh Lin was the doctor who cured this ward of criminally insane. And like I said, the invitation to call me, even come over and have a cup of tea with me while I tell you the story, is open. In my work as an energy healer, I have seen a lot of times clients get stuck. Some clients make amazing breakthroughs. All patterns break. Connected with their own happiness so quickly. Some struggle, much to their own... yes, Sridevi, the train makes it complete. Much to their own frustration and often mine. And this is the technique that I have used to get the maximum number of breakthroughs. This technique is almost like a precursor to any inner work that you may do. It's based on forgiveness. The first tenet of this technique of Ho'oponopono is taking full and complete responsibility for who you are, for where you are, and for what's happening in your life. Our first tendency is always to blame. I am here because I had a bad life. I am here because this person was very bad to me. I am here because of where I was born. I am here because of... Yes, of course, all of that is true, and my heart goes out to you. But I take responsibility for my thoughts here on. I take responsibility for my beliefs here on. I take responsibility for how I will build, rebuild, or allow my life to be destroyed from here on. So complete responsibility is the first and foremost tenet of Ho'oponopono. So what was this magic mantra that Dr. Hugh Lin used to cure this ward of people? The magic mantra is very simple, and please pay attention. I'm going to give you the magic mantra now. Magic mantra is, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Yes, it's as simple as that. When I say I'm sorry, I'm saying sorry to my own higher self. I've put myself to so much rubbish. I have disconnected myself from happiness. So I'm sorry. I'm apologizing to myself. I'm apologizing to my own self for creating the conflict in my life. And I am apologizing to myself for choosing to not come out of it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me is allowing myself to wipe the slate clean. Thank you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful to my higher self for sticking with me, for being with me. I'm grateful to my higher self for even allowing me to be open enough to get in touch with an opportunity to learn a technique of Ho'oponopono. So thank you. And I love you. Most difficult words. So easy to say to someone else, so difficult to say to yourself. But I love myself, so I love you. All right. So this can be used at any time, at any place, at any situation. I like to do it just before I go to sleep. I chant for about 10 minutes. You can also use a recording of this meditation that I will be leading you through today. So let's not spend any more time talking. Let's just get into it. Can I request you all to sit down in a comfortable position and close your eyes? I will also be playing some background music today. So please settle down. Find a comfortable position to either sit or lie down in. Take a few moments to intentionally release any tension that you may be holding in your body. Any tension that you're holding in your face, your neck, your arms, just release it and bring your attention to your breath. Watch your breath as it goes in and goes out. Focusing only and only on your breath. Don't worry about the thoughts that are coming in your mind. Thoughts are like clouds. They will just pass away. Don't get stuck in that drama, in that story. Just bring your attention back to your breath. Breathing in and out. And gradually releasing any tension that you may be holding in any part of your body. Breathing out all your thoughts, your worries, your anxieties. Breathing out the anxiety of even listening to this entire meditation. Don't worry if you fall asleep, it's okay. Some part of you is always listening. If you feel at any point of time you have wavered, no problem. Just slowly bring your attention back to the breath and to the sound of my voice. Imagine that the air you are breathing can cleanse your body and remove all the tension. It's a cooling, healing air, so imbued with the power of the full moon, that beautiful, calming, healing full moon that we have this time. Visualize that all the tension in your body is gradually going out with your out breath. With your in breath, you take in peace. With your out breath, you release the stress. Just stay in this space of absolute relaxation for a few seconds. You have nowhere to go and nothing to do. Just being in this place right now and Breathing. And in and out. In and out. Now slowly bring your focus to your body and think about the healing that needs to take place within your body. Create an image in your body of your current state of being. Is there a physical ailment that troubles you? It could be some pain or an illness. It might be an old injury or even a new one which is bothering you. Some place in your body where you think there is dissonance, there is a need for healing. It could be a problem that has been diagnosed, or maybe it's not been diagnosed. You just feel the discomfort. Whatever it is that you want to heal, bring that problem to your mind right now. Focus on that specific location in your body where this problem is present. Acknowledge and feel the pain, the confusion, maybe even the irritation, the anxiety that you feel when your body aches, does not perform the way you want it to perform. And keeping that part, that pain in your body, chant with me in your mind, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Saying this to the part of your body that's hurting, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Feeling the pain coming down, responding to the chant, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I created an emotional state that has caused this pain. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for putting you through this. I thank you. I'm grateful to my body because my body is the vessel in which my soul resides. I love you. I love my body. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. One last time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Bringing your attention to your heart or your mind or your body's reactions to these phrases. Feeling the feelings that are coming up, even the lack of feeling, just acknowledge it for a moment. Just acknowledge your own desire to let it all go. If your mind gets too lost in the story or starts rationalizing or starts blaming, just bring your attention back to the breath and to your body in the present moment. Breathing in and out, letting go of the pain. Breathing in and out, letting go of the judgment. Breathing in and out, letting go of the blame. Your body has so many ways of healing itself. Now I want you to see the magic of Ho'oponopono working on your immune system, strengthening your immune system. So we'll chant again, but this time for our immune systems. Our immune systems have kept us safe in very difficult times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Your immune system has helped you heal, has protected you and nourished you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Our body also builds strength. We grow stronger and stronger. No matter what we do, how we abuse it, our body is so strong. So chant for the strength in your body now. Starting. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm building strength in my body with this chant. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm getting stronger. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And once more, building more strength. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Promoting the growth of healthy tissue in your body to heal whatever it is that needs to heal. Chanting for the growth of healthy tissue in your body. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Wherever there was pain, it's being replaced by healthy tissue. Wherever there was anxiety, it's being replaced by healthy tissue. Your body is healing itself. Chanting for that healing. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now, removing all the unhealthy matter from your body, removing all the toxins, all the bacteria, anything that you want to remove right now, we are cleansing it with the next chant. I'm sorry, cleansing my body. Please forgive me, removing the toxins. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Imagine the chant of Ho'oponopono like a waterfall, just removing everything that does not serve you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And cleaning out completely. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Cleaning off your body from any dark energies, any energy of pain or illness, any memories of any illness that you may have suffered in the past. With our next few chants, cleaning it of any residual, dark, painful energy. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. See it all getting released into the ether. Thank you. Thank you so much for helping me with this clearing. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now breathing in all the beautiful healing energies of the full moon. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And breathing out everything that you don't need. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Stay in that chant for a few moments and imagine the healing magic of Ho'oponopono coursing through your body. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feeling the lightness. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feeling all the tightness, the pain, the anger, everything dissolve. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I want you to stay in that magical, buzzing energy for a few seconds. Just feeling it course through your body like love, like light, like forgiveness. Forgiveness is such a balm. It's such an elixir. It's the Amrut. And it begins with forgiving yourself. That is the magic of Ho'oponopono. That we start by forgiving ourselves. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Pay attention to these beautiful words by Rumi. The hurt that you embrace becomes joy. Call it to your arms where it can change. This beautiful vibration that you're feeling right now is yours. You can come back to it whenever you want. Promise yourself that you will use this chant to heal yourself, to heal your body, to heal your mind, to heal your soul. That's what this full moon is urging you to do. To remove any blocks that stop you from connecting. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Now send yourself a moment of gratitude for trying to free yourself from the long-held pain that makes life more difficult than it needs to be. Offer gratitude to yourself for taking the time out today to do this for yourself. For taking care of your own body, for taking care of your soul, for nourishing yourself, for lightening the burdens, for removing the hurts that you've accumulated. I thank you. I love you. Remembering that this is a practice of letting go, of forgiveness, of moving in the direction of more health, more peace, more happiness and freedom. Now slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Breathing in and out. In and out. Still feeling the beautiful glow of the Ho'oponopono magic, but becoming aware of your surroundings, becoming aware of the room that you're sitting in. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you for meditating with me today. I hope you will continue this practice. I hope you will continue to do it. And I hope it will bring magic into your lives like it has brought into mine and so many of my clients. And so it is. Thank you for joining me. And as always, I'll be happy to answer any questions that come up. You can leave a comment on this video. I'm going to post it now. Alternatively, you can also send me a direct message. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you so much. Till we meet again.